everyone, I'm Sienna. Today I'm going to teach you how to say queen in Korean. The Korean word for queen is yeowang. This word comes from the combination of the words yeoja and wang. Yeoja means female or woman, and wang means king. To combine the words, first shorten the word yeoja to 여. Then add wang afterward. 여 plus wang gives you yeowang, or queen. Breaking the word down into two separate words like this can make it easier to remember. Try doing it with other Korean words and see if it works for you. If you want to learn more, we have a resource guide on queen in Korean. I'll put a link in the description below. Remember to like and subscribe to get updated when more of our video lessons become available. Now that you know how to say queen in Korean, this is a great time to practice. Try writing a sentence using yeowang in the comments below. Bye for now!